How to fix the corrupted files on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, let's get started. Dealing with the corrupted files on your system can be frustrating, but fear not. Here is a tutorial which will guide you through the steps to fix them. The very first solution is Run System File Checker, which is SFC. It is a built-in Windows utility that can scan and repair corrupted system files within few minutes. In order to access the scan file checker, you have to open command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Then after you have to type in sfc/scan now and hit the enter button. This will start scanning for all the files and folders. Once the scan is completed, if any corrupted files are found, SFC will attempt to repair them automatically. In the similar manner, there is another service or the solution as well. For this, you have to run in deployment image servicing and management. On the same location of the command prompt, type in or press in the location given on the screen, which is a command, in order to run so. This might take a while to recover, so make sure to be patient enough. Once this is done, your issue should be fixed. However, if it does not, let's move on to another solution. For this, you have to go to the settings. Once the settings is opened, go to other troubleshooters from the troubleshooter settings inside the system and then run for the corrupted files and folders. And this way it should detect and resolve any issue that persists. Another solution could be recreating the system restore. For this, press in or type in on the search bar. Search for create a restore point and then start the restart. Once that is done, tap on apply and OK and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.